Hello, my beautiful people. Thanks for visiting Docentes DigitalesTV. In this video, we're going to do the feedback session for the previous episode. If this is your first time here, I recommend you watch the last video where we talked about the Midwest of the United States. Now let's test what you've learned. Let's begin. Is the Midwest located on the West Coast? No, it's located between the East Coast and the Rocky Mountains. Is the Midwest known as the breadbasket of America? Yes, because it produces a lot of food like corn and wheat. Are Midwesterners known for being rude? No, they are known for being friendly and polite. Is Chicago located in the Midwest? Yes, it's one of the major cities in the Midwest. Does the Midwest have mild winters? No, winters are very cold and snowy. Are tornadoes common in some parts of the Midwest? Yes, especially in an area called Tornado Alley. Does the Midwest have a fast-paced lifestyle like New York City? No. Life in the Midwest is usually slower and more community-focused. Is Detroit famous for its music and automotive industry? Yes, Detroit is famous for both. Are Midwestern states important in U.S. presidential elections? Yes, states like Ohio are considered swing states. Is the Midwest unimportant to the U.S. economy? No, it's very important for agriculture, manufacturing, and more. Watch this feedback video several times to make sure you really master what you've learned. Don't forget to subscribe so you can keep improving your English and your understanding of American culture. See you in the next adventure.